For this recipe, you will need a selection of fresh vegetables. Remember, if you can't find these exact ingredients, seasonal vegetables will do, although ingredients like kaffir lime leaves are important. The classic Thai ingredients we will be using are combinations of fresh, frozen and even pickled. All are readily available from Asian grocers. This can be a vegetarian dish if you prefer, but it is commonly cooked using chicken or pork. Of course, you'll need a couple of tablespoons of the authentic red curry paste, and the meal is generally served with jasmine rice. Firstly, you'll need to prepare all your ingredients. Slice the snake beans, not too finely, into about 3 cm or 1.5 inch lengths. The capsicum needs to be cut lengthways, taking long slivers off the edges while avoiding the seeds at the core of the pepper. Then dice these slices, like so. Having peeled your carrot, slice it so it can cook quickly but still retain its texture. You can put all these vegetables into a bowl as they'll be used together. Strip the string from the snow peas and slice them once or twice. Chop the cauliflower into coarse chunks and do the same with the eggplant. You will need to chop the kaffir lime leaves very finely as their flavour is very intense, so it's best to fold them together tightly and very carefully slice off tiny slivers. Add the bamboo shoots and karachai to your mix. Then you will need to get your rice cooking so it will be ready to serve with your red curry. As the rice is heating up, dice the chicken ready to cook. Heat your wok and add about 2 tablespoons of soybean oil. When the oil is hot, add your curry paste, releasing the flavours in the oil. Quickly before it burns, add a portion of your coconut milk. Keep it moving in the wok. When you have worked the curry paste and coconut milk together, add the chicken and combine it with the paste. Once fully coated, you can add more coconut milk and stir the mix together. It's a good idea to add your coconut milk in stages. Although it does reduce, the milk is the best way to control the consistency of your curry, adding more if you feel the dish is too dry. You can now add the lid to the wok and cook on a low heat until the chicken is cooked through. Now add 4 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and stir through before adding the vegetables you prepared earlier. You can add the diced vegetables all at once, but ensure you stir them thoroughly. Return the lid and simmer, steaming the vegetables for about 5 minutes. Be careful not to stew the curry, so watch the heat. We don't want to overcook the fresh vegetables. Finally, add the green pickled peppercorns and pick the leaves from your bunch of Thai basil. Mix the ingredients together quickly, as you don't want to cook the basil, just warm it enough to release its flavour into the curry. By now, your rice should be cooked and the dish is ready to be served. It is traditional in Thailand to serve the curry in one large dish and place the rice in another. Diners will then serve this into smaller bowls. So there you have it, Thai red curry with chicken and jasmine rice using an authentic, fresh, homemade red curry paste.